She was the largest ship in the world, carrying the hopes of thousands. But the Atlantic held a secret.
Easy now, bring her down slow. Hold it right there. Looks aligned. Go ahead and set it down. Heave ho! Keep it steady now, watch the edge.
All right, heave. Push from the legs. Heave.
Get those supports clear.
Coming down!
Grease the ways, keep it moving.
Secure that brace. Mind the drop.
Send up the next plate, double time.
All ahead, full.
Full ahead, sir. Pressure holding steady. They're casting off the forward tug. Iceberg, right ahead. Hard to starboard. Hard to starboard. Hard to starboard, sir. Get to the ladder! Move! Help
Help me, please help me!
All passengers, this way to the lifeboats. Hurry, the deck is tilting further. Move quickly now. Lower away, keep her steady.
Oh, careful, watch the gap. Hold fast there, men.